Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post an ad on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we're going to follow these help center article on eBay. And basically to promote or to post your ad, you'd need just to start like a campaign on for your listing or even for your store. So basically here you'd find like or you will be able to do it from the Seller Hub. So you go to the Seller Hub and from there you would need just to go to the advertising. So let's just go to Seller Hub. You can access to it from my eBay and then go to selling and basically you'll be able to go to advertising. From here you'll find campaigns and dashboard. So we can just click on dashboard or you can simply click on advertising and now you'd want like to click or create a new dashboard. So a new campaign. So we need just to click on create new campaign. From here you choose whatever you like. Either you want to promote offsite or you promote your listing inside eBay. And let's just go for example like that. You can set a target daily. For example, it can be like $15 dollars or whatever. You set a name for your campaign name, and then you can give it like an advanced settings if you'd like to give it like an end date or whatever. Then you'd simply click on launch, and basically it will start launching. Otherwise, you can simply change, and from here you'd like whatever the priority of your uh, campaign and stuff. You add your listing there, you add budgeting, and then again you'd click on launch. So after you launching your the campaign, you have successfully added your ad on eBay. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.